Green tea is renowned for its numerous health benefits, making it a popular choice for those seeking a natural way to improve their well-being. Firstly, it is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. This antioxidant power is believed to contribute to the lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer, associated with regular green tea consumption. Secondly, green tea contains compounds like EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, which have been linked to weight management by boosting metabolism and aiding in fat oxidation. Additionally, green tea is a natural source of caffeine, which, when consumed in moderation, can enhance alertness and cognitive function. Lastly, its polyphenols have anti-inflammatory properties that may benefit joint health and reduce the risk of conditions like arthritis. With its potent antioxidants and a wide array of potential health perks, green tea has earned its reputation as a healthful beverage with various benefits.